Guys, it's Artist Girl from Artist Girl Videos, and today I'm going to be showing you how to delete the background from any picture. And we're going to be doing that on Photoshop Elements 14. Okay, so to start it off, you're going to look up here and you're going to make sure you're on Expert. You can see there's Guided, Quick, and eLive, and we want to make sure we're on Expert. And then you're going to come over here to Open. When you hit Open, it's going to take you so you can open a picture. Now, I think it's easiest to put the picture you're going to use on your desktop, okay? But anywhere works. So I'm just going to take this picture that I'm going to use. It's a picture of a giraffe because I love giraffes. So we're going to take away all this background, and so we just have the giraffe. You're going to hit Open. Now you can see it's kind of small. So you can take the magnifying glass, make sure it's on the plus sign, not the minus. You're just going to hit one time, and that will make it bigger, so it fits your screen. Now there's two ways to do it. One way, you can come up to the selection tool here, and make sure it's on quick selection, and drag over your object to make sure that it's all selected, and it's faster, but sometimes it doesn't select everything and your lines can be kind of crooked and uneven. And so that works with simpler shapes like squares, circles, faces, But since this animal is so complicated and it has like its legs and the spaces between its legs, we're going to come over to this selection tool and make sure it's on the polygonal lasso. And you're just going to quickly start selecting the edge of the giraffe. Okay, so now you can see that I have the giraffe selected and it looks like little lines of ants running around my giraffe. That shows that it's selected. Okay, so now I'm just going to open the layers button down here, as you can see. And this shows my layer. So currently I only have one layer, but I'm going to kind of like make two layers in one, so to get rid of our background. So you're going to hit this button up here, which creates a layer mask. And if you hit that, you can see that it gets rid of your background, right? And if you look right here, you can see that black is where the background was taken away and white is where the giraffe is showing. So if you made a little bit of mistake, you can go in with black and like just pretend I didn't want this horn. I could fill it in with black and it would disappear, okay? So this is helpful if you'd like to add it in a presentation and just show the figure that you outlined. But you can also have some fun with it. So if you come down here to graphics, it'll show backgrounds. And there's a bunch of cool backgrounds that Photoshop Elements 14 supplies for you, which is super nice. So you can look through, find the one you like. I'll pick a cool one. How about this? It's cool. So you can double click on it and it's going to load, and then it will show up in your background. So it's kind of cool because now your giraffe looks like it's in some cool polka dot background. If you like to move your giraffe around and make it bigger or smaller, you can just select it and move it. Like maybe I want it over this way more, or maybe I want it smaller. And when you find the right spot and the right size for it, you just hit the green check mark right here, which makes it set. It sets it in its spot. You can always go back though and reselect it and change it. Okay, so now that I have my finished product and it looks really cool because my giraffe is in this cool polka dot background instead of the normal average desert, you can save it to your desktop or to any of your folders that you keep. And it's a really cool picture that you can add to anything. It's really good for presentations or wallpapers or just any cool pictures you want to have. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and tune in next time for more videos about art. Thank you!